Delmia's digital manufacturing engineering for the industrial equipment industry helps companies to implement their global manufacturing strategies with a flexible manufacturing planning and resource engineering solution that fully leverages their globally distributed manufacturing capacities. In an environment that demands more and more product diversity and faster time to market, the ability to collaborate globally with all stakeholders and the flexibility to produce any product anywhere is key. Delmia Digital Manufacturing Engineering offers a complete set of digital manufacturing capabilities, from manufacturing planning to digital validation and resource engineering. Model-based manufacturing planning on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform delivers digital continuity for industrial equipment companies to take their designs from the engineering department to the shop floor. This provides the agility to effectively utilize local manufacturing assets anywhere, from multi-model and multi-plant down to order of one. With Delmia's digital manufacturing engineering on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, our customers are able to apply global best practices while leveraging local excellence in order to perfectly respond to customer needs and market demand.